Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zack D Films video. First, you need a strong concept. Think about what makes a topic interesting and how you can present it uniquely. Your script should be tight, focusing on one main point. Write it out fully, but be ready to adapt it during filming. Remember, every word counts in these fast-paced videos, so make sure your message is clear and direct. Next, let's talk about filming. Zack D Films often uses a straightforward setup, focusing on clear visuals. Ensure your lighting is good and your background is uncluttered. Maintain a consistent camera angle throughout your shots. This style relies heavily on quick cuts and visual aids, so plan for those text overlays and graphics that will pop up on screen to highlight important information. Visuals are key to keeping viewers engaged. Now for the editing, which is crucial for the Zack D film style. The pacing is incredibly fast, with cuts often happening every 1 to 2 seconds. You'll want to synchronize your visuals and any on-screen text perfectly with your narration. This creates a dynamic and engaging experience. Don't forget sound design. Well-placed sound effects and a subtle background track can really elevate the video and maintain viewer interest throughout. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Watch your video multiple times to ensure everything flows smoothly and your message is crystal clear. Pay close attention to your audio. Consistent volume and crisp sound are essential for a professional feel. Make any final adjustments to timing or graphics. And hey, while you're perfecting your video, why not perfect your car's scent too? Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. A polished video and a fresh car make for a great day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.